Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Subaru head gasket. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable torque wrench and an engine hoist. Next, ensure the engine is cool, then completely drain both the engine coolant and oil. Remember to disconnect the battery and carefully remove the air intake system. Labeling all hoses and wires now will save you much frustration later during reassembly. Now, let's begin the disassembly process. Start by removing the accessory belts and carefully detaching the power steering pump. Next, disconnect the fuel lines and the exhaust manifold, ensuring all connections are clear. With these components out of the way, you can then unbolt the cylinder heads from the engine block. Take a moment to inspect the old head gaskets for any visible signs of wear or failure. Before installing new gaskets, meticulous cleaning is crucial. Thoroughly clean all mating surfaces on both the engine block and cylinder heads to ensure a perfect seal. Now, carefully place the new head gaskets, making sure they are oriented correctly. If recommended by the manufacturer, apply a very thin layer of sealant. Finally, torque the cylinder head bolts in the specified sequence and to the exact manufacturer specifications. With the new gaskets in place, it's time for reassembly. Carefully reinstall all components in the reverse order of removal, referring to your labels. Once everything is back together, refill the engine with fresh, high-quality coolant and new engine oil. Remember to properly bleed the cooling system to eliminate any trapped air pockets. Finally, start the engine and carefully check for any leaks or unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.